Hi everyone, thanks for joining me here today and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Irene and in today's video I get to actually do a really exciting unboxing video. The package is right here. I just received it in the mail. So if you're interested to see what I got and who it's from, then let's get straight into this video. Before I get into this unboxing video, I do want to make a quick disclaimer out there that this video is in collaboration with Teddy Blake New York. It's a very exciting opportunity for me, but I am in by no way or any means paid to say good things about their brand or their products. I was simply asked to try out a product of theirs and give my honest review and my honest opinions about it. So I was not paid basically for this, is all I'm trying to put out there. But without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing. My package came in really quickly. So it came in this box. I had already cut it open for ease of filming. So here is the beautiful box that this bag comes in. It's very sturdy, kind of reminds me of Chanel, especially with this magnetic opening here. So I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we've got inside. Very cute packaging. I'm very impressed, and it even says here that it's designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. So let's take a look inside and see what I ordered. So it comes in this bubble wrap bag. Here is the dust bag. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. They did a really good job on all of this. This is beautiful. Feels very luxurious. So it's Teddy Blake New York, and inside we have this bag. Okay, so this is, let me get this straight, this is the Kim Stampatto 9-inch in the tan leather. Okay, there we go. So this is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, one of their newer handbag styles that they just came out with. There is another one that is very similar that I was also looking at that seems like a lot of people like, which is called the Ava. So it's similar style. It's top handle, top flap opening kind of bag. It even has the two-side leather straps, but the way they designed the hardware on it is slightly different, but generally speaking, very similar bags. I just liked this one a little bit more. There was also another bag. What was it called? It's called the Tara or the Tara backpack. Beautiful, so simplistic, so pretty, very timeless, elegant. But I already have two backpacks in my handbag collection, so I just decided not to order that. And then there was also a bucket bag. Oh my gosh, that bucket bag, it's called Eliza. It is gorgeous as well, but I just don't use bucket bags personally. It's a very kind of bulky style. If I want to wear it crossbody, it just won't work as well. So I obviously opted for this beautiful Kim bag, and this is in the Stampatto leather. I was quite impressed when I was looking online at their website. So each handbag can come in like 4 different leathers, 4 different sizes. I got one of the smaller sizes. I think for the Kim handbag, this might be the smallest size available, but I know for the Ava, there's even a 6-inch option, which is obviously, if this is 9, a 6-inch would, I would imagine, be about this long or wide or whatever you call it. So yeah, tons of different sizes for the same handbag styles, tons of different leathers, and then like the color selection is unreal. I'm just trying to inspect it and see, is the craftsmanship there? If you've seen some of my videos, you know that like I do have a small collection of designer handbags. I wouldn't say it's very large, but definitely bigger than I ever thought it would be. So, I mean, I'm trying to inspect it and trying to compare to what I've seen in my collection. Honestly, I am very impressed right now. The stitching is immaculate from what I can see. All the stitching is straight, even. There's nothing wrong with the stitching. In fact, I've seen more quality control issues with stitching from other big brands before, actually. This one looks really good. Even the glazing on the top handle, the leather, I don't know if you guys can see, it's perfect. Everything looks so good. And it's funny because the side of this bag reminds me of my sac du jour, my baby, oh not baby, yeah, is it the baby sac du jour? I don't remember what size, but the sac du jour kind of has this like pleating detail as well. Well, I am very impressed right now. This looks really good. So this is the Kim Stampatto, and so I'm just gonna open this up. This one I feel like would be really good for people who are a little bit more concerned about the security of their belongings. I don't feel like this bag would be very easy to steal from unless you keep it like wide open. But oh, there's the strap that it actually comes with. So let me just take out all the stuffing and I'll show you the interior of this bag. Oh, the smell of leather, I love it. Yeah, so this is real leather, and I am looking at the stitching on the inside of this bag, seeing if they've maybe have some oopsies in there and just hit it on the interior. I don't see any. Everything looks really good. So the interior is leather, and then I think the bottom, like as you go further down into the actual compartment, it is a suede lining, and as you can see at the back here, there is a pocket that you can like maybe put a receipt or a card or two in there. And then there's also, from the looks of it, from what I can see, it says Teddy Blake made in Italy, embossed in gold over here. The details are beautiful, and it's quite roomy. Like this bag would fit quite a bit in here. It has no pocket on the back, and just looks like this. As you guys can see, it kind of takes inspiration from like the Hermes, either the Birkin or the Kelly. I can never get the two straight. I'm pretty sure it's the Kelly. But you know what? I don't mind it because it's a cute, beautiful style, very timeless. As long as they're not copying it straight up like exact replica, I'm okay. Everyone takes inspiration from everyone else, and that's perfectly fine. I just like that they made it their own, and I think it's really cute actually. And I mean, they're not trying to be Hermes. They straight up say Teddy Blake New York right here in gold embossing, so it's not like they're trying to like be like a replica, which is good. This is beautiful. By the way, this is my first impression obviously, but I am not paid to say anything good about them necessarily. I was just asked to provide my own honest thoughts and opinions and first impressions on their product. So I'm actually going to be planning on doing a more in-depth review and my honest opinions about this bag later down the road in a couple of months, once I've actually had an opportunity to really use it and put it to the test. But right now, my first impressions is that it is very good quality for the price of the bags that they have. I was actually very curious about how they were able to outdo all these other designer houses with their pricing of their handbags. I'll put a screenshot or something up here on the screen, but I saw it online, and on their website they explain it as, if you think about it, Chanel, YSL, Hermes, and all of those big fashion houses, they spend tons of money on marketing and on branding, and these guys spend less money on that, and so they're able to offer their products for cheaper, but they're still quality leather goods. So I'm very, very impressed. I was, like I said, I was online. They have so many different styles on there, and I'm very impressed so far. Like I said, I've heard about this brand before, I've never tried it, and I'm excited to actually wear this bag out and see how it goes. But oh my god, look how cute it is, even like open like that, so it's nice and easy. I'm actually gonna try putting this strap on there. So it comes with a leather and a shoulder strap, and it has notches in here that you can actually adjust the length to, which is awesome. The hardware, the gold hardware, is beautiful as well. It's got 4 feet. I don't know if I showed you guys. It's got 4 feet as well. So that's a nice touch, so that it protects the leather from any surfaces that you may place it on. I generally don't put my handbags on the ground anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but there it is. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. You guys will have to stay tuned for when I post a more in-depth review of this bag, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's really quick unboxing and first impressions of my new Teddy Blake handbag. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys have actually tried out any Teddy Blake products yourself, please let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what your thoughts are on the brand, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!